Hey guys, it's Lydia here, and for today's video I'm going to be doing another outfits of the week video. I really like doing these because whenever I film like fashion videos, it's kind of hard for me to pick out different outfits for different scenarios, and I prefer to just be like, here's what I'm actually wearing every single day. So all these outfits are just basic, there's nothing special about them. I'm not making them extra cute for the video or anything. This is just what I wear every single day. So I hope you enjoy this video. Let's dive in. So for Monday's outfit, I'm starting with this red floral shirt that I got from Walmart. And then I'm just wearing these simple jean shorts. I'm not exactly sure where they came from, probably from a secondhand store, but they're really comfy and just super chill and basic. And that's the outfit. You might notice that I'm not wearing shoes, and that's because in the summer I never wear shoes. And if you see me wearing shoes in an outfit, I normally take them off at some point in the day. But that is it for this outfit. I just love the basic look of a top and some jean shorts. Welcome to Tuesday. For this outfit, I'm starting with this basic white t-shirt that I tied from Walmart, and then I'm wearing this cute layered gold necklace, also from Walmart. By the way, sorry about the rooster in the background in this voiceover, but anyways, I am wearing this blue skirt that's super flowy and fun, and I think I got it from some secondhand store. Honestly, I've had it for so long I don't remember, but this is just a really fun summer staple that I love. And that's the outfit. It's all the summer beach nautical vibes that we all love. I just love wearing a flowy skirt in the summer. I think it's so pretty and fun and great for this hot weather. So I'd really recommend just wearing some kind of outfit like this. It's super fun, flattering, and just perfect for summer and so cute. Okay, so for Wednesday, I wore a similar outfit, starting with this pink tee that I tied, again, from Walmart. And then I am wearing this pink floral skirt, which, again, it's one that I've had for so long. I think it came from a secondhand store. But like the blue one, it's one of my favorite summer staples. And that is it for this outfit. Like the other one, it's super cute and fun and flowy. And like I said, these kind of outfits I wear a lot in the summer. They're just kind of fun because they're just a bump up from a basic top and shorts. Okay, so have you been able to tell that I'm obsessed with tying my t-shirts yet? Because I am. But anyways, I'm starting off this outfit with this tied pineapple t-shirt from Goodwill. And then I am wearing my DIY bleach shorts that are just so much fun. If you'd like to check out how to make those, I did a video recently, which I will link below. And then I'm just wearing this simple gold necklace, and this was one of the necklaces in that layered necklace that I wore on Tuesday's outfit. And there you go. I absolutely love these shorts. I think they're so weird but so fun, and the whole outfit's just super cute and summery and totally my style. Okay, so to start off Friday's outfit, I am wearing this flash shirt, which I tied, and I DIY'd this shirt. If you'd like to know how to paint on graphic tees, I will link that video below as well. And then I'm just wearing these super fun white capris that I got from Goodwill. And there you go, another super basic summer outfit, but if you couldn't tell already, I really love the look of just a basic t-shirt tied with something fun on the bottom. I think it's super cute and just my favorite summer outfits. Alrighty, we are already at the weekend. To start off Saturday's outfit, I'm wearing this super cute Washington graphic tee that I got from Walmart. And then on the bottom, I am wearing these denim mom jeans that I got from Goodwill. And I love these pants. They're probably one of my favorite summer staples. I think they're just so cute and go with anything. And this outfit, I actually wore shoes. I bought recently these white sandals from Walmart and I love them. I feel like I'm the last to get on this bandwagon, but I think they're super cute. They're really comfy and great for around the house. But that's the outfit. Again, a super basic one, but super cute and perfect for the summer months. Okay, so for the last outfit, I am starting with this Superman tee that was actually my brother's, and then it shrunk and then he gave it to me, and it was originally from Walmart. And then on the bottom, I am wearing these denim joggers that I got from Goodwill. And I wore those same white sandals that I wore yesterday today. Honestly, I got them like the day before. I think I got them on like Friday or something. So I was just super excited to wear them. So yes, I did wear them 2 days in a row. But like I said, they're just so cute. They're so comfy and I'd really recommend picking some up. And that's my outfit. I love this look. It's just comfy, it's cozy, it's super cute, it's really trendy right now. And I'd really recommend just trying to play around with this look because it is really trendy and really easy to recreate. Alright guys, that is it for today's video. I hope you enjoyed it. Give it a big thumbs up if you did. Be sure to subscribe below because I post fashion videos every single Friday and hairstyle videos on Monday. If you'd like to check out my fitness channel, it will be linked below where I post workouts every single Tuesday and Saturday. And I will see you soon. Bye guys.